In this lecture we are going to study about the wall footing. So we will know in this lecture that what is wall footing and how it is going to design. Okay. So अगर जितने भी वॉल जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन एरिया है दैट इज L इंटू बी, इसके साइड साइड वॉल होंगे, तो जितने भी वॉल होंगे उसके नीचे पूरे पोर्शन में फाउंडेशन देना ही वॉल फुटिंग होता है. मतलब जो भी वॉल है कंस्ट्रक्शन या स्ट्रक्चर में बेस का, उसके पूरे वॉल में फाउंडेशन प्रोवाइड करना इज द वॉल फुटिंग. पहले क्या हो रहा था कि कॉलम में फुटिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे. ओके, यहाँ जैसे कॉलम है तो उसके लिए जो बेस प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे फुटिंग, यहाँ कॉलम है, यहाँ कॉलम है, तो उसके लिए फुटिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे. अब इसमें क्या करना वॉल फुटिंग में कि जो भी हमारा स्ट्रक्चर है, जो भी हमारा वॉल है, उसके पूरे वॉल में फुटिंग प्रोवाइड करना इज द वॉल फुटिंग. सो दिस इज द फिगर फॉर द वॉल फुटिंग. This is the wall and this is the footing for the wall. B, width of the footing, and this is the thickness of the footing or depth of the footing, and this is the L. L कंटिन्यूटी साइन से मैंने दिखाया है क्योंकि लेंथ जितना भी वॉल का होगा वहाँ तक कंटिन्यू करेगा लेंथ ऑफ द फुटिंग. जितना भी वॉल का लेंथ होगा क्रॉस सेक्शन का उतना ही तो फुटिंग का भी लेंथ होगा ना, इसलिए मैंने 1 मीटर शो करा है कि हम जो डिजाइनिंग करेंगे वो लेंथ इक्वल टू 1 मीटर लेंगे क्योंकि कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. जितना मीटर का वॉल होगा उतना मीटर लेंथ फुटिंग का होगा. यहाँ हमें विड्थ फाइंड करना है, डेप्थ फाइंड करना है, और जो L हम लोग यूज करेंगे वो 1000 mm लेके चलेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर वॉल एंड लोड इज कमिंग हेयर एंड ट्रांसफरिंग टू दिस फुटिंग. सो a footing regarding all the wall is known as wall footing. This is the soil bearing pressure and this is the load coming on it. This is the footing and this is the earth pressure, SBC, soil bearing capacity, and this is the load coming through the wall on the footing. Here is definition for wall footing. A wall footing or a stripe footing, wall footing is also known as stripe footing, is a continuous stripe. Continuous stripe in the sense that कि जितना भी वॉल होगा उसके continuous footing देते जाएंगे. So is a continuous stripe of the concrete that serve to spread the weight of the load bearing wall across an area of the soil. It is the component of shallow footing. Wall footing is the part of the shallow footing. Okay. एंड वॉल फुटिंग, जो हमारा वॉल का फुटिंग हो गया वो क्या वियर करता है, जो हमारा लोड वियरिंग वॉल है वो लोड जो ट्रांसफ़र कर रहा है स्ट्रक्चर का वो हमारा वॉल फुटिंग वियर करता है. ओके, लोड वियरिंग वॉल जो ब्रिक वॉल है, साइड का वॉल, पार्टीशन वॉल जो ब्रिक से बनाया गया है दैट इज लोड वियरिंग वॉल. एंड जो पार्टीशन वॉल कहीं कहीं होता है ऑफिस वगैरह में, या जब हम पार्टीशन वॉल देते हैं प्लाईवुड से, ग्लास से, इन दैट केस दैट इज नॉट आर लोड वियरिंग वॉल, दैट इज ओनली अ पार्टीशन वॉल विच इज नॉट टेकिंग एनी लोड ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, लोड वियरिंग वॉल क्या होता है, जो ब्रिक वॉल है जो हमारे स्लैब से कनेक्टेड होगा दैट इज द लोड वियरिंग वॉल. Wall footing carrying direct vertical load might be designed either in the plain concrete or in the reinforced concrete. Since a wall footing deflects essentially in one way, it is analyzed by the considering as a stripe of unit width and its length. Wall footing है, कैरी कर रहा है डायरेक्ट लोड, माइट भी डिजाइन आइदर बाय द प्लेन कंक्रीट, या तो प्लेन कंक्रीट के थ्रू हमने डिज़ाइन कर रखा हुआ ये फुटिंग को, और इनफोर्स कंक्रीट. जब फुटिंग हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं तो हमारे पास ऑप्शन है कि प्लेन कंक्रीट के थ्रू भी कास्ट कर सकते हैं हमारा फुटिंग, और इनफोर्स कंक्रीट के थ्रू भी फुटिंग को कास्ट कर सकते हैं. सिंस अ वॉल फुटिंग इज डिफ्लेक्ट इसेंशियली इन वन वे शियर, ये हमारा वॉल फुटिंग का प्रॉपर्टी है कि जो डिफ्लेक्ट करता है ओनली वन वे डिफ्लेक्ट होता है. It is analyzed by the considering as type of unit width and its length. Now for bending moment in wall footing. Bending moment का calculation कैसे होगा wall footing में? The critical section for the calculation of bending moment in the different type of wall footing are: the critical section for the bending moment in the footing under the masonry wall occurs half away between the middle and the edge of the wall. जो हमारा critical section develop हो रहा है, यहाँ develop हो रहा है, that is the half away between the middle and the edge of the wall. Half away, middle and the edge of the wall. Okay, this is our critical section. This is the thickness of the wall and this is the midpoint of that wall, and the critical section for the wall footing lie between this, इसके और इसके middle में critical section lie करेगा. Okay, this is the figure for the wall footing. This is the thickness of the wall and this is the footing. Here to here the length is b by 2, that is this is b and this is half of b. So up to this length b by 2 and subtracting this length minus a by 4. So from here to here the length is b by 2 minus a by 4. Okay, and this is the critical section line. So bending moment at critical section is the behave like a cantilever beam. जो हमारा wall footing है वो cantilever beam की तरह behave करता है. So bending moment equal to WU into L by 2. So WU we have load given and B2 minus A4. This is the length, this length B2 minus A4. Bending moment critical section पे निकालना होगा ना, तो ये length into करेंगे load में. So here is B2 by 2 minus A by 4 into B2 by 2, the length by 2, so B2 by 2 minus A by 4 divided by 2. This is the bending moment formula for the wall footing. A is the size of the wall, wall का thickness क्या है, that is the size of the wall, and B is the width of the footing, and L is the B by 2 minus A by 4. Okay, now we will go for the design of the wall footing. Design a wall footing for a foundation of the brick wall 400 mm thick and exerting a load of 140 kN of its length, and the bearing capacity of the soil is 80 kN per meter square. Use M20 and Fe415. Okay, so we have given data is here. A equal to 400 mm, A is the size of the wall, and load equal to 140 kN per meter, and SBC soil bearing capacity is 80 kN per meter square, and FCK equal to 20 Newton per mm square, and Fy equal to 415 Newton per mm square. So in step number first we have to find out the area of the footing. So area of footing equal to total load divided by SBC. Total load equal to 140 plus 10% of 140, that is we have 140 plus 14, that is 154 is the total load. So total load divided by SBC, soil bearing capacity. So 154 divided by 80, that is 1.92, similarly 2 meter square for the area of the footing. जो हमारा footing का area होगा वो हमारा 2 meter square होना चाहिए. So area equal to length into b. तो length तो बहुत बड़ा है b के हिसाब से, that is length उतना ही होगा जितना wall होगा. जितना भी वॉल होगा उसके साइड साइड हमें फुटिंग प्रोवाइड करना है, तो लेंथ तो जितना लेंथ होगा उतना होगा लेंथ. सो वी आर टेकिंग फॉर L इज 1 मीटर. नाउ वी विल फाइंड फॉर द B. सो 2 meter square is the area, so area is 2 meter square. L we are taking 1 and B we have to find, that is B equal to B have taking 2 meter and L equal to 1 meter. In next step we have to find out the net upward pressure. W equal to 1.5 into axial load divided by area of footing. Axial load we have 140 kilonewton and we have to factor it 1.5 into 140 kilonewton divided by area of footing. 2 into 1, 2 is the B and 1 is the length of the footing. So 105 kilonewton per meter square per meter length of the footing. Okay, this value WU net upward pressure पर मीटर लेंथ फुटिंग के लिए है. 1 मीटर के लिए 105 और जितना भी लेंथ होगा 105 में से इनटू हो जाएगा. ओके, तो हम लोगों ने जो वैल्यू निकाला है W नेट अपवर्ड प्रेशर इज 105 फॉर 1 मीटर. Now we have to find out the bending moment calculation. Okay, the critical section for bending moment in the footing under the masonry wall occurs half away between the middle and the edge of the wall. अभी हमने पढ़ा कि जो critical section डेवलप हो रहा है वो मिडिल के हाफ अवे हो रहा है to the edge of the wall से. So bending moment equal to, we have formula half into WU into that is B by 2 into A by 4 का square. This formula we are using, this is, so this formula we are using, this is, that is WU into B by 2 minus A by 4 into B by 2 minus A by 4. So we have squared it, that is a square, and 1 by 2 we have taken here. This is the same formula that I have shown. Half W equal to 105 we have find it, and B equal to 2 divided by 2 minus 400. A equal to, we have the size of the wall is 400 mm. We have size for the wall is 400 mm divided by 4 square. So we have bending moment equal to 42.524 kilonewton. Now step 4, calculation for the depth required for the section. Now we will find for the depth. So mu equal to 0.138. We are taking this 0.138 for Fe415 grade of steel, FCK into BD square. So mu equal to 42.524 into 10 to power 6 equal to 0.138 into FCK equal to 20 and B equal to 1000 and D square. So D equal to 124.12. Provide D greater than required. So we are providing 250. This is the depth find it out by us by calculation. तो जो भी डेप्थ आया उससे हमें ज़्यादा लेना है, जो रिक्वायर्ड है उससे हमें प्रोवाइड करना है ज़्यादा. सो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग हेयर D equal to 250 mm. The depth of the footing is the 250 mm. Calculation for the area of the steel. After the bending moment, we will go for the AST. mu equal to 0.87 Fy AST D minus Fy AST divided by FCK into P. This is the formula for the AST. So by putting all values, we have AST equal to 491.13 mm square. So percentage of steel equal to, by this we have percentage of steel is 0.19%. AST divided by B into D into 1000. And by solving this, we will get the percentage of steel equal to 0.19%. Number of steel equal to how much we are using steel, AST divided by small AST, that is the area of one var. So we have AST equal to 491.13, small AST equal to, we are assuming the diameter of the var is 12 mm. So 12 mm ka square we have 4.325. Similarly, number of 5 vars we are using. Spacing between the vars will be spacing equal to 1000 by 5. We have 200 mm spacing. So provide 5 numbers of var and 12 mm diameter of var at the rate 200 mm center to center spacing. Now by the help of percentage of steel, we have find it out earlier, that is percentage of steel is 0.19%. So by the percentage of steel we will find for the shear tau c. We will check for the shear reinforcement that is needed or not. So tau c for IS 456 by page number 73 we have table number 19, and by interpolation method percentage of steel, the 0.19 lie between the 0.15 and 0.25, and grade of steel we have M20 we are using in the wall footing. So 0.28 के बीच में लाई करेगा ये परसेंटेज एंड 0.36 के बीच में लाई करेगा. सो बाय इंटरपोलेटिंग दिस वैल्यू 0.28 प्लस 0.36 माइनस 0.28 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.25 माइनस 0.15 इंटू 0.19. दिस इज द वैल्यू percentage of steel minus 0.15, that is we have tau c equal to 0.13 Newton per mm square. In this step we will check for the shear tau c should be greater than tau v, and the wall footing deflect essentially the one way shear. wall footing में only one way shear occur होता है. तो one way shear action equal to critical section for one way shear check at a distance of d from the face of the column. जो shear चेक करने के लिए क्रिटिकल सेक्शन होगा वो कहाँ पे लाई करेगा, फेस ऑफ द कॉलम से d डिस्टेंस पे, एंड d इज द डेप्थ ऑफ आवर फुटिंग. तो जो भी डेप्थ होगा फुटिंग का उसी डिस्टेंस पे क्रिटिकल सेक्शन लाई करेगा फॉर चेकिंग ऑफ वन वे shear. वन वे shear का क्रिटिकल सेक्शन इस पे लाई करेगा. ओके, दिस इज द डिस्टेंस after minusing this. So b2 up to here, this is b by 2 whole b, and this is b by 2, and this is b by 2 minus a by 2, this is a by 2, and this is a by 2. So b2 minus a by 2 minus d, this depth. Okay, v equal to intensity into area of the critical section. Intensity, that is wu, we have load, and area of the critical section is b into L. Okay, so we have b equal to, this is b and L is the length. So b equal to, we have b by 2 minus a by 2 minus d into L. So we have w equal to 105 and b by 2 equal to b equal to 2. So 2 by 2 minus a equal to 0.400 divided by 2 minus d equal to, we have taken the depth equal to 250 mm. So 0.25 meter into length we are going to take 1000 mm, that is 1 meter. So we have Vu equal to shear force equal to 57.75 kilonewton. Now we will find out the tau v equal to Vu by Bd. So Vu we have 57.75 into 10 to power 3, that is we have to change in Newton from kilonewton. B equal to 1000 and D equal to, we have 250. So tau v equal to 0.231. So tau c is 0.31 and tau v is 0.231. So tau c is greater than tau v and section is okay, no shear reinforcement is required. So this is the section of the wall footing. So we have size of the wall is 400 mm, and this is the depth of the footing, and this is the width of the footing 2 meter. So this is designed, and we will provide here reinforcement which we have find it out, that is 5 numbers of var, 1 2 3 4 5 numbers of var, 12 mm dia, 5 numbers of vars at the rate 200 mm center to center distance along the length of the footing. Okay, that's it for the wall footing design.